This is where the car started, and when the water has come down a fair bit here, all these netball courts were underwater, and then you got some Indian taxi driver. What a dickhead. Definitely from number 2 Dickhead Street. Taxi!
Front window's down too.
Taxi!
Front window's down.
I think he's not going anywhere, this bloke. It's all over, huh? This whole oval was underwater. They reckon maybe another 2 metres of water, 3 metres. 2 days ago, it's just come down a touch. But have a look at this bloke, brand new Camry. Lost his marbles. It's all over. Have a look at it. It is gone. Look, the Abos have already pinched the shit out of there, you believe it? They go crazy around here. They all start looting. Stay tuned.